Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RFIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is target costing and related concept like target pricing, cost plus pricing. Target pricing, competitor price are the considered for setting prices. Cost plus pricing, a certain amount of the profit added to the cost arrive price. Price determine cost of the product. Price determine price of a प्रोडक्ट. बेसिकली अगर टारगेट प्राइसिंग हमारा कॉस्ट बेसिस पे, कॉस्ट प्लस प्राइसिंग हमारा प्राइस बेसिस पे किया जाता है. डिजाइन ए प्राइमरी फोकस ऑन रिड्यूसिंग ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ टारगेट प्राइसिंग. Focus on the meeting budgetary cost, reducing of the production losses and wastage of cost plus pricing. Supplier are involved at a design stage and supplier are involved in the production stage. Involving of the value chain and the cost planning. There are no consideration of the volume chain at the cost planning and stages. The differentiation by the cost basic pricing like design product, determined product cost, set pricing basis on cost, and convincing customer about the product value, and target pricing value based. Check for customer need and value perception. Set target pricing and merchant and the customer perceived value, and determine target cost. Process flow chart. Target pricing, cost pricing. Cost pricing are different form like target design cost, target production cost, target selling and administration cost, target warranty cost, target disposal cost, and review and examine all target cost element regularly and let them not exceed their allow at the another levels. Price taken from every firm a price taken from under the condition of the perfect competition market. They are numbers and numeric form of the market, and the R production identify the product given by the price range. That is way of the single firm cannot dissect its price of the perfect competition marketing. A monopolistic and monopoly and the competition a firm can detect a price of the small number of the firm can be detect and the price. All companies are selling identification product, therefore product and substitutes can exist the product offered by them. Life cycle costing. Life cycle costing refer to the process of identifying and the record the all costs there are incurred or by the entire life cycle of a product, including the cost of the incurred and before of the production and product till the cost incurred of the disposal of the product. Target costing, attempting by the achieve the reduce of the life cycle cost a new product by the examiner all the stages of cost, reduction as a research and development cost, production cost, disposal stage is product. Target costing is just not a costing system but is a comprehensive profit planning tools for a product life cycle of the entire of the life cycle. Analysis of the life cycle like the research and development, designing, production, managing and delegation and controlling. Engine costing of the refer to the process cost of the improvement through the small incremental amount rather than of the through the large innovations, and it continues through the and manufacturing process. In the main process achieving the target cost over the life cycle is a product.